In today's video, I wanna build a 2x2 seamless piston feed tape. No, this is already one. But what this one is it's a normal, it's not fast. Well, I wanna make one that's like as fast as I can possibly make it. This was my very first attempt at this. And it's quite fast if we compare those two at like only a small portion of the speed. You can see that those are not too fast. We could fire this one early and this one, yeah, not great. If we look at this one, for example, here, it instantly pops does this rather quickly. Pops this one over, and yeah, it's better than that for sure, but it's still not perfect. Now let's go over to the thing where I do zero ticking stuff. I've already like tried around a little bit with some stuff, because the layout I'm using for zero ticking this far has always been something like this. Where now to rotate we would put this, and this. Now this in itself isn't bad, it's definitely also not good. Now this would mean for zero ticking we could instantly push this piston, this block here, and this here. This we could do instantly. And then in the third game tick, then in the next zero tick cycle, I call them zero tick cycle, that's names I use, I don't know if they are commonly used, we can pour this over instantly and then teleport this over here. Now this would instantly teleport this block, but this one would not be instantly moved. So I experimented around a little bit with other methods, and this was one of them. Where here I would pull, the idea was to pull, which I'm just going to say did not really work. This is not one that worked. But this one here is quite close to how I want to do it. Back like that. Because in the first game tick I can pour this, and this. And then, because we can't instantly pour this one over, because it needs a 3 game tick delay between someone reaching this place and being able to be pushed over here. Also instantly move like a 3 game tick clicker, this over here and this over here. And then this back. Now this may sound and seem complicated. I don't really think it is, to be completely honest. I'm just going to go over the cycle and wire up the starting blocks. Because we need this is only going to be one. Now since this is always the same thing, it is not, we don't need a falling and a rising edge monostable, but we can just use input once that does all of the stuff for us, like that activates every time, or we can just use a dual edge zero ticking generator, and I will just also do that really quick. Now this one I will go like right here. It's not going to be small, but this is also not what this is about. Like this, redstone dust right here, slime, and a block right here with blocks right here, some redstone dust right here. Redstone dust on top of here, and then piston here, here, and here. Now this is a dual edge zero tick pulse generator. Just fire up this. This one instantly teleports up and the piston always has rejection mode. And it does not instantly reject, that does not happen, never, it's not exclusive to this. Now what this means though is that we can move this one instantly into this right here. And like this. Now after that we want to obviously fire this one with some delay. And this one with some delay. I just realized maybe I will need to go a little higher up. You know what? We'll really quick go higher up. So let's just to make our lives a little bit easier, let's go up a bit and create a layout which shouldn't be too difficult. And this one is the first, so let's just create this and 0, take a pulse generator right here, which, like, it sounds more difficult than it is. This design I'm using right now is Il Mango's design, it's not mine. And it's dual edge. Now, what all this also means, I want is I want to go up like this. I need that. Doesn't necessarily need to be a transparent block. Okay. And then let's go into another transparent block so there's no this. Boom. No redstone. So, and then what I'm building here, this is a simply a repeater that basically powers this. Now this should I kind of figured that that's going to happen. Generally it does power. Okay, this somehow does not work, which I'm going to be honest confuses me just a tiny bit. let's just go over and look at some zero ticking stuff. So, because I've taken a break from zero ticking recently because after I did a lot of stuff with zero ticking, and I wanted to take a break because it's kind of, yeah, it's not easy. Now this works. Okay, I have a pretty simple, I have a kind of easy idea. I will go a little to the side. Okay, now it works. You can see that those two get instantly teleported. What that means, right now we just need to teleport this one over here. And then we have the first thing done, and then there's just this, like, taking those over, and then this one over, and then this one back, and those stuff needs to happen. I will just take this from here. Time to maybe run this into right here and get a tile right here. Now this, and you can also instantly, yes. That's basically what this happens. So after that, you wanna now zero tick this one across, this one in, and back over, and with that we've done everything. Now in theory we can also already build up the zero ticking block of this. We can this. Now, maybe this will work. Let's just give it a 0 tick. Now let's look at it in slow-mo. Okay, definitely works. If it does, let's just build a really quick 0 tick pulse generator here. Okay, this all works now. So meaning all we have to do now is just fire this, maybe like this. It does completely work now. Wow. That is way quicker than I thought. Now obviously this is not finished because we still need to connect up this thing to this. Let me think. This maybe actually is easy as, okay, let's detect if something right here happens. This would be insane if this works. Didn't think so. Now, why? Because it's not connected. Jeez. And now... yeah. Now the thing is, I could probably make this fast as possible, but I don't really want to do that. Mainly because this would require a boat load more stuff than it needs to be. So that means that all of this should work. I will just really quick adjust a little bit here to this. Boom. We need to another way to go this then, but there's no problem. Now, like this. With that we can what I wanna try is, would it be enough delay if I manage to like thing does not work completely fine here. I now power all of this. Another way I'm powering this. Oh. That's dumb, but I can make it work. So the context for this one for some reason only the other heuristic generator worked, but not this one, so I will have to. Jesus. Okay, then let me really quick get some. Also, if you enjoyed this video, like it was short and I did not expect it to work out this well. If you liked videos like this, where I built some dumb stereotyping stuff, yeah, put them down in the comments. So I know this is by far not optimal. This is definitely not the best it could possibly be. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a better piston layout. I promise not, but I'm happy with this, because I'm still on the with stereotyping. So yeah, see ya.